Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I am Dr. Sadamini Sinha, currently student with Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online training platform for all the international pharmacists who wants to practice in Australia legally. Today we have with us Mohammed. Welcome Mohammed and congratulations on passing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good, actually. Yeah. So my name is Mohammed Thouffick. I'm one of the previous student. I mean, former student of Elite Expertise, and I cleared the KAPS exam in very first attempt. Yeah. And also, I'm really happy to share with other students how we've been through. Yeah. Today I have connected with Dr. Sudamani, and thank you for your welcoming speech.
So why
Currently, I
did
live
you
in
choose?
UK.
Yeah, please tell.
No, 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 it's okay. You go on. You go on.
So why did you choose Elite Expertise?
So one of the former student, he is my junior when I was studied M.Pharm, and he recommended that expertise is doing really absolutely brilliant. Then I started straight away my journey.
So in how much time did you complete your KAPS course?
I took 3 months to be honest, but I spent very least hours to for my study preparation. Let's say I'm living in UK and I'm on my sponsored visa, so I have to work like 40 hours per week with them because it's a contract hours. And hardly I spend 3 to 4 hours, 3 hours for every day constantly to prepare my CAPS exam. Yep.
So what did
And
you
I'm a
like
full
about Elite Expertise?
the teaching method. First of all, I would say they streamline the um, you know, the whole syllabus into, is comprehensive, but at the same time, what we need to clear the CAPS exam. So that's the only thing I clear this CAPS exam, to be honest. Streamlined syllabus and MAM and SAR guideline. That's all.
So, what are the teaching strategies that you liked about Elite Expertise?
So they're really trying hard to understand your concept, not study well. So basically, I won't recommend this strategy for anyone because I'm a full-time student. I'm full-time working candidate in the UK, and my work is kind of really worst job. Like to do 6 7 hours shift, I would spend 14 hours outside. In between, I use the gap to prepare the exam, and I watched the every lecture just once. But I won't recommend this strategy to any student. And I did the marks just only once, not even full. But I understand the concept. Whenever the questions pop in my screen, I go back to the concept and analyze where it's from and how they're asking. So understanding the concept and understanding the question and be calm as chill, you will pass the CAPS. That's all. This is the only key success in my journey.
Okay, so which paper was easy for you, paper one or paper two?
Paper one is really easy because I'm a master of pharmacy in pharmacology student. So pharmacology seems, a bit easy for me. And I finished in 48 minutes by paper one. Then I spent about 1 hour just to review twice. But paper two, I didn't have a chance to go to review. Just finished my questions and time is finished. So paper two, I felt with difficulty because I wasn't spend proper time to prepare my calculations. Even I didn't do my mocks because I am a written person. So I just spent 2 days just to review in offline, like our hand max, you know. Then I won't recommend this strategy at all for anyone because just follow the map and what they are suggesting twice, thrice, and calculate and do the mocks as much as possible. Because I felt, oh, I did wrong about the mocks because I didn't give a proper time. But how mocks will be done, how we'll think when you're doing mock, the same questions replaced and came up. So this is how. And also, I would like to tell all the full-time students, don't worry about your timing and adjustment. Just go with the flow. At least attend all the lectures once, mocks, importantly, then handouts is unbelievable preparation material. I would say 90% of my KAPS exam questions came from the topic where maths are covered, not from the space. So it's easy.
So, what are the top 3 points that you think have really helped you in achieving the CAPS exam?
Uh, First one, be relaxed, be calm. That's the first important. And don't compare yourself with other student because each and every student in our institute is from different background. Some of them they don't work; they spend all the time for preparation. Some of them they have to work; they must work with their their streamline. Additionally, you have to prepare. So don't compare yourself with other students. First of all, I would say. Second thing, don't argue in the group unnecessarily. To be honest, it will make nervous, and we are like a family. Don't you know? Don't do any unnecessary argument. Just ask the question. If you are not sure, ask ma'am and sir. That's all. You don't need to fight with them because the whole point of exam is understand test your understanding the knowledge. The question will be like that. So it's a not solid question, not solid answer. So just guessing, and it could be the correct like that. So this is the point I would suggest our student. Just follow the classes, moms, our advice. Don't argue in the group, don't fight in the group. This is a request because I have seen so many students, they are just fighting for nothing. They haven't seen anything beyond the border in India. We live in UK and we live in Western culture. So we could say it's amateur and nervousness.
So, do you have any kind of suggestions for a future aspirant?
Just, you know, it doesn't matter where you're from. Just you are going to clear the exam. That's all. You believe in yourself. You believe in yourself. And be immense with the study. Even if you are spending 2 hours, just concentrate the class. Don't overcome your emotion. Don't let your other things in your mind. Just focus the class, even you attended once. And funniest thing, I didn't complete my 87 lecture. I only attended 60 lectures, which was our core subject. Then I did practice the mock and revise the handout twice, thrice. That's all. That's all. So hardly I spent every day 2, 3, 4 hours. That's all. And even my company didn't give me a proper off days for my examination. They gave me just only 2 days before the examination. And I've been to London and just once go through, then attended, appeared, stayed. So trust the light expertise, you will pass. So
Thank you so much, Mohammed, and all the very best for your future. And you have actually spoken some of the very important points that we all should remember. Thank you so much, and have a very bright future ahead. Thank you.
thank you for your blessing. Thank you.